Hey guys, what's going on? Matt here, service industry coach, and today's video I'm going to be chatting with you guys about if I had to pick one marketing avenue, what would it be? And I'm going to go through each season of business that I have been through so that'll help you guys whether you're a beginner or whether you've been in business for a long time and you have a large operation. Alright, so I'm out here at the park. I try to do this once a week, just go out and walk and clear my mind, and I figured I'd bring my camera with me and shoot this video because I've been wanting to do it because we've been getting a lot of emails of people emailing us or wanting to hop on a phone call, people that have been wanting to buy our marketing material with Service Industry Marketer and saying, Matt, if you were in my position and you didn't have a big budget, or you do have a big budget, what would you do? And so I thought it'd be good to make this video basically helping you. If you had to choose one thing to market your business, what would it be? If I was just getting started in a home service business, wouldn't matter what it is, wouldn't matter if you're a plumber, a window cleaner, a carpet guy, lawn care, doesn't matter. I would go out and I would order from us or from somebody else 4x6 or 5x7 postcards, and I would have them so I could hand write the pricing on there. So I'll give you a little example. Logo, a nice title, something like your window cleaning specialist, your lawn care specialist, your local roofing specialist, whatever it is. And then below I would have a list of my services. Remember, not a long list, a max of 3 or 4. And then below that, those 3 or 4 services, I would have blank lines where I could hand write prices. So what we used to do, we'd go through neighborhoods, we would look at houses from the road, hand write a price, a close price, and when people would call, they would say, is this a real price? We say, well, you know, we quoted your home from the road. It will be pretty accurate, but for us to give you an exact price, we do need to come out and do a walk around, and people never have a problem with that. And so if I was a beginner with a very small budget, I'd go out and order 4x6 or 5x7 postcards, a matte finish, and do exactly what I just told you. I'll put a link below to our website. You can buy them on there or buy them from anybody. I don't care, but we'd love to earn your business. Now, if I had a budget, let's just say we're in the $200,000 to $250,000 range, and we have a little bit of a spending budget, right? This is what I do. I would probably still be handing postcards out by hand, a lot of them, but I would probably choose 1 or 2 routes that I can mail to free up some of my time, right? And so it's gonna cost a little bit more money to mail. So I'd be doing that. And then I would also be adding Adwords, okay? Now, if I had to choose between the two, I'd still be doing postcards at this stage of my business, okay? What you're going to realize is in your early stages, you're not going to get a ton of referrals. You're going to question yourself and say, is it because I'm not doing a good job? Am I not asking for them right? The answer is you just haven't been in business long enough to get a ton of repeat work or referral work. It will come, just be patient. So until that comes, I am still doing postcards because they're consistent. I know that they're going to get between 1/4% and 0.5% return rate every single time, regardless of the time of my season, and I can just count on them, okay? So now if you're at the $500,000 or higher range, you probably, as long as you're managing your finances right, you have a bigger budget for marketing. Now, if I had to choose one thing at this stage, it would probably be Google AdWords. Why? Well, very simple. When we're sending out postcards, we're sending them to a bunch of people and we're throwing something in front of them and saying, hey, please buy this, right? This is something you need. Or Facebook ads. You land in front of somebody with a Facebook ad, hey, this is what we offer, this is what you need, buy it from us, right? But with Google, people are out actually looking for you. So when somebody searches window cleaner in Brighton, Michigan or Fenton, Michigan, right, and our ad pops up and they click on it and call us, we already know that this person is interested. We don't have to sell them on the idea of them needing our service. So it's a much more qualified candidate. Now, why wouldn't I do AdWords as a young company? Very simple, it's too expensive. Most people don't have the budget for it. If you run it yourself, you're going to run yourself in the hole because you're not going to know what you're doing. If you hire a company like us, we're going to charge you $500 a month to manage it, which is the going rate, plus your ad spend. And if I was doing AdWords, I would not be doing them unless I'm spending a minimum of $500 per month on my ads. So unless you have $1,000 or more per month for marketing, AdWords is probably something you're going to want to wait on. But if you're a larger company, man, we work with so many companies right now across the country doing AdWords that are just absolutely murking it. They're killing the game. And it's simply because they have the budget, they're going all in, and they're capturing all these people that are searching for them on Google, rather than being one of the organic guys that are waiting 2 years for their website to rank well and all that crap. So that is my video. If you're young and just getting started, small budget, postcards, postcards, postcards. I'll leave the link below. If you're bigger, AdWords, AdWords, AdWords. And this, again, is only if you had to choose just one. Now, if you're a large company, you should be diversifying and doing, you know, at least a minimum of 3 different marketing sources at once. But for this video alone, I just wanted to kind of share what I would do if I could only pick one marketing solution for my business.